Hey guys, so this is my first video, Easy Tech. So this is a review for the cheapest but best drone. It's $55 on Amazon, and it's really good actually. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be showing you what it does, flying it, and yeah. So this is the controller. You have up, down, and then to move your drone sideways like that. And then this is front, back, and sideways. And then this is headless mode. You probably know what that is. And then that's a speed stunt. So if you press this, the drone goes up in the air and flips. I'll show you all of this when I fly it. But yeah. And then this is an easy takeoff landing. So if you press this, then it'll just go up a bit. And if you press it again, then it'll go down. And then that's take photo / video. So press it to take a photo, and then hold it to take a video, and then same to end it. And then that's the on button, just press it. And then this is where you put your phone. I mean, it's in it right now, but yeah, you just put your phone in there like that. And it has an app, I'll show you that later. But yeah, I forgot one button. That's one key to return to back. So basically what that does is if you press it, then it'll just come back to you instantly. So you don't have to worry about just controlling it back. I don't recommend using that if the drone is more than like 50 feet away from you, but if it isn't, then yeah, that's good. And this is the actual drone. It's got some branding. That's the on button. That's the battery. You can take that out. And then that's the 720p camera. You can go like that. Like that. Sounds like someone's stepping, whatever. And it locks into place, so you don't have to worry about it like moving around. And then the lights will flash. And then these things, they basically just keep your drone from destroying the wings. I mean the little propeller things, because it'll hit this thing instead of these, but you do get a spare of these. So if you're a beginner, I do recommend putting these on. But yeah, it's red, and on the bottom you got the antenna. And then yeah. So in the next portion of the video, I'll just be flying it and show you everything it does and the app. So yeah, see you then. So now I'll show you like the what it can actually do. But first, to start the engine, you have to go down and then out, but you have to do it on both at the same time. I can't do it right now, but I'll show you. So I go down and out. Then I'll just do some stuff, and it's pretty easy to learn. So yeah. Now the flip. Hold up. Hey, saw that. Alright. And then easy landing. So yeah, that was basically the just showing you how it flies. Now I'll actually record something from the app, and I'll go hi, and I'll just show you it. So, yeah. I'll get back to you in a bit. And first I have to show you the app is called, so yeah, that was the review of the cheapest but best drone. As you saw, I went pretty high. I could take some photos. This is best just for your front yard, just flying it around and stuff. I do not recommend bringing it to like a city and trying to get some nice pictures. It's only $50 and the signal's not that great. When I went up there really high, I was struggling to get it down. But yeah, if you like this review, subscribe and like, and and if this does good, then I'll be posting more videos, and yeah, I have more drones and other tech like this that I can do an easy review on, not a complicated review. But yeah, easy reviews. But yeah, this was Easy Tech Reviews, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.